Hey, this is Jay and you are watching Mathematical Virus. Here's a puzzle for you. Which answer in this list is correct answer to this question? 1. All of the below. 2. None of the below. 3. All of the above. 4. One of the above. 5. None of the above. 6. None of the above. Pause the video if you wanna give a try. When you are ready, keep watching how to solve. First consider statement 1. All of the below is true. If 1 is correct, that means 5 is correct. But if 5 is correct, then none of the above can be correct. Means 1 has to be incorrect. Let's consider statement 3. If 3 is correct, that means 1 is correct. But we already know 1 is incorrect. So statement 3 is incorrect. Now consider statement 2. If 2 is correct, that means 4 has to be incorrect. If 4 is incorrect, that means none of the above is correct. Since 1 and 3 are already incorrect, then we must have that 2 is incorrect. Let's take statement 4. If 4 is correct, then 1 or 2 or 3 is correct. But we already know 1, 2 and 3 are incorrect. So 4 has to be incorrect. Now consider statement 6. If 6 is correct, then 5 has to be incorrect. That means some statement 1, 2, 3 or 4 has to be correct. But we already know 1, 2, 3 and 4 are incorrect. So statement 6 is also incorrect. So only statement 5 is left. Let's check. If 5 is correct, that means statement 1, 2, 3 and 4 are incorrect, which is already known. So correct answer is 5. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share and don't forget to subscribe.